Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share a cookie recipe that has been in my family for many years. This delicate treat has always been an essential part of our Christmas table. As a child, every crispy bite of this airy meringue cookie felt like snow melting on my tongue, bringing a touch of winter magic. The special flavor of the cookies comes from cranberries, a juicy, slightly tart berry closely associated with Christmas and New Year's. Each bite carries the festive spirit, transporting me back to childhood when the anticipation of magic and the aroma of these cookies filled our home with warmth and coziness. Sift the flour in advance, then add sugar, a pinch of salt, and fragrant cardamom. Mix everything thoroughly, allowing the mixture to infuse with a delicate, spicy aroma. Grate unsalted butter carefully and mix it lightly into the dry ingredients. This will give the dough a unique crumbly and tender texture. Add vanilla extract and 4 egg yolks to the mixture. Mix well until it is smooth and fully combined. If the dough turns out too thick, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of yogurt or sour cream as needed. Knead the dough on a work surface or board until it becomes soft and elastic. I divide the dough into 2 parts and roll each out very thinly to about 1/4 inch thickness. Using a cookie cutter or a glass with a diameter of 1 1/4 inches, I cut out small circles. I gather the leftover dough, roll it out again, and cut more circles. Gently place the dough circles onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a dry bowl, add 4 egg whites and a few drops of lemon juice to aid in whipping. Using a mixer, whip the egg whites, gradually adding sugar in stages. The meringue should be thick and stiff, holding its shape so that it doesn't fall out of the bowl. It should form firm peaks when the whisk is lifted. Using a piping bag or a sturdy plastic bag with the tip cut off, pipe the meringue onto each half of the cookies as shown in the video. If you don't have a piping bag, you can simply spoon the meringue onto the cookies. Place the cookies in a preheated oven for baking. I'll provide the baking time and temperature below the video. Repeat the process with the second half of the dough. I made the jam myself, but you can use store-bought if you prefer. If you don't like cranberries or don't have them on hand, feel free to substitute any jam of your choice. Take 1/2 of the cookie, spread it with cranberry jam, and gently sandwich it with the second half, pressing carefully. Be cautious not to press too hard, as the meringue is very fragile and may crack. This recipe yields a substantial number of cookies. I ended up with 58 pieces. Happy baking! I hope your cookies turn out delicious. These can be made not only for Christmas but also during the summer. They are very light, and during berry season you can use any type of jam you like. These cookies are also perfect for weddings, christenings, and other special occasions, as they are light, airy, and visually stunning.